studied about capital, asset, liability, expense, now income. Always remember, any sort of income, the nature is credit. If you receive an income, then it will be credited. Now, there are two ways of receiving income, through direct means, through indirect means. Through direct means, how can you receive income? The most common way of receiving income is through sales. The other name of sales, you can also call it as revenue. Now, what will you sell? If you are a factory, you will definitely sell goods. You'll produce goods, sell goods. You can also buy goods from outside and sell it. That is without production. But if you are giving services, that is, you are a chartered accountant, a lawyer, a doctor, what do they sell? They are not selling any products, they are selling services. So their sale is called as revenue from services, and these are the direct way of receiving income. So what is the indirect way? Indirect way can be just examples: rent received, commission received, brokerage received, discount received. Now when can this happen? You have a piece of land in name of your business, so what, and you have given it out for rent, so rent received. Now commission received. Commission in regular course of business, or even if not regular, you did some transaction or you did some sales for which you received commission, so commission received. Brokerage received. All transactions we cannot do on our own, so we might appoint a broker, or sometimes we might ourselves can act as a broker. Broker is a person who will finish the task or the transaction for some remuneration or amount, which is called as brokerage. So if your firm or your business is receiving brokerage, that is also income for you. Discount received. See, discount allowed is expense, discount received is income. If, for example, you are buying in bulk, okay, buying in bulk, or you pay at correct time, and you had to pay an outside party, say 100 rupees, and so you paid before time, so they allowed you 10 rupees as discount, and you paid only 90. So discount received is also income. Now one more thing which you have to remember is, if the question says only one word, rent, so whether it is rent paid or it is rent received. So if the question is silent, just mentioning the word rent, you have to compulsorily take it as expense, not income. If it is income, they have to write it rent received. If just rent, then expense. If just commission, then expense. If just brokerage or just discount, then take it as expense. If they compulsorily mention it, discount received, or they mention discount received, and in bracket they mention CR, that is CR denotes for credit, then it means income. Say for example, they write rent and in bracket CR, credit. Now through this credit, you can understand that this is income, because only income is credited. If rent, only rent is written, then it has to be expense. So it has to be either rent received or rent credit, then only it will be income.